In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by finding Recorder app on your POCO and clicking on it. If you never used it before, tap on Allow in the pop-ups, and then use this button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this button at the bottom right corner. To add a bookmark, hit Mark at the top. And to add a photo one, unpause it and click on camera icon at the bottom left corner. Tap on while using the app or only this time. Snap a picture, and to discard it, use this X. To add it, click on the check mark. If you wanna change your language, hit the current one, in my case English, at the bottom, and tap on yours. Finally, to end and save your recording, use the same middle button you used before. Then my favorite part, click on it, tap on Allow, listen to it here, and also manage it thanks to those three dots at the top right corner and all of those options, like rename or share. If you wanna get rid of it, you need to hold it and tap on Delete button, then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Lastly, to manage more recording options, click on this gear at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!